Hello friends, welcome to WinGraviton. Today we are going to talk about linear equation in one variable, and this is for class 8 and this is the part 13 video. And this is also the last video on linear equation in one variable. So in this video we are going to solve a word problem, and that is related to distance and speed. So let's start solving that problem up. So that is, the distance between two stations is 300 kilometers. So actually there are two stations here, okay, there are two stations, and the distance between them is 300 kilometers. Okay, they are 300 kilometers apart from each other. Okay, and then they are saying two motorcyclists start simultaneously from these stations. So there are two motorcyclists, and one of them is starting from this station and the other is starting from this station, and also they are starting at the same time, they are starting simultaneously. Okay, so let's observe the next sentence. And the speed of one of them is 7 kilometers per hour more than the other. So that means one of the motorcyclists would have a speed of x kilometer per hour. One of them will have a speed of x kilometer per hour, and the other would have 7 kilometer per hour more than x. So that means x plus 7 kilometers per hour, isn't it? So one motorcyclist would have x kilometer per hour speed, and the other motorcyclist would have a speed of x plus 7 kilometer per hour speed. So then, if the distance between them after 2 hours is 34 kilometers, find the speed of these two motorcyclists. Okay, so after 2 hours, the distance between them is 34 kilometers. After 2 hours, the distance between them is 34 kilometers. Let's understand this. So we know that after 2 hours, we know that these two motorcyclists would have, covered some amount of distance from their respective stations, isn't it? So let's say that the motorcyclist who have x kilometer per hour speed is starting from this station, okay, and he has covered this much distance in 2 hours, okay. And let's also say that the motorcyclist who has, x plus 7 kilometers per hour starts from this station, okay, and let's say that he covers this much distance in 2 hours, okay, in 2 hours. So the reason why this distance is more than this distance, because this motorcyclist, he has a speed of x kilometer per hour, and this motorcyclist who have covered this much distance has x plus 7 kilometer per hour speed, isn't it? So this speed is more than this speed. So obviously the motorcyclist who has a more speed covers a more distance in 2 hours. So that is why this motorcyclist has covered this much distance. It is larger than this distance. Okay, so this is the thing. And also the distance between those two motorcyclists is this much, and that is 34 kilometers. Okay, now for a clear understanding of what is happening here, let's find the distance that these two motorcyclists has covered in this 2 hours. So distance is nothing but speed into time. So let's first find the distance covered by the motorcyclist who has x kilometer per hour speed. So his distance would be nothing but his speed is nothing but x kilometer per hour. So x into time. So for how much time he traveled at that speed of x kilometer per hour? That is 2 hours, isn't it? So x into 2. So the distance he covered would be 2 into x, that is 2x. So the distance covered by this motorcyclist who has a speed of x kilometer per hour is nothing but 2x. So this distance is nothing but 2x. Okay, so this distance between those two motorcyclists 34 kilometer, and the distance covered by this motorcyclist is 2x kilometers. Okay, now let's find the distance covered by this motorcyclist who has x plus 7 kilometer per hour. So his distance covered would be nothing but his distance is his speed. His speed is x plus 7. So x plus 7 kilometer per hour and into time. So the time duration in which he traveled in that speed is 2 hours. So x plus 7 into 2. So that means it gives us 2x plus 14. Isn't it? 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 7 plus 14. Isn't it? So the distance covered by the motorcyclist who has x kilometer per hour speed is 2x, and then the distance covered by the motorcyclist who has x plus 7 kilometer per hour is nothing but 2x plus 14. So this distance is 2x, this distance is 2x plus 14. Isn't it? So now we have got all the information that is required. Now let's find an equation and then solve for x, and then let's find the motorcyclist's real speed. Okay, so this 300 kilometer, this total distance is nothing but this 34 kilometer. This 34 kilometer plus the distance covered by this motorcyclist, that is 2x, plus the distance covered by this motorcyclist, which is 2x plus 14. So we have now made an equation. We can also write like this, isn't it? That is 300 equals to 2x, the distance covered by this motorcyclist, plus 34 kilometer, the distance between those two motorcycles, and plus 2x plus 14, the distance covered by this motorcyclist. So let's write it down then. So 2x plus 34 plus 2x plus 14 equals to 300. Yes. Now we made an equation. Now let's solve for x. So 2x plus 2x is nothing but 4x. So let's write it down, 4x, and then 34 plus 14. That is going to be what? 34 plus 14 is nothing but 48. So 4x plus 48 is equals to 300, isn't it? Now let's shift this 48 to this side because it is a constant. So let's now shift this plus 48 to this side. So this is a constant, isn't it? So we have to shift it to the RHS. So let's do it now. So 4x equals to 300 minus 48, isn't it? Here it is plus 48. If you shift it there, it becomes minus 48. So 4x equals to 300 minus 48. So 4x equals to 300 minus 48. It is going to be 252, isn't it? So now what is x? X is going to be equals to 252 divided by 4. Here this one is a constant, 4 is a constant, so we have to shift it to the right hand side. So here it is multiplied by 4. If we shift it there, it becomes divided by 4. So x is nothing but 252 divided by 4. Now let's cancel it by 4 tables. So if we do that, we get 63, isn't it? So x is nothing but 63. So x equals to what? 63. So now let's find the motorcyclist speed. So one motorcyclist speed would be x, isn't it? So x is nothing but 63. So one motorcyclist speed is nothing but x kilometer per hour. So it is nothing but 63 kilometer per hour. So the other motorcyclist speed would be x plus 7 kilometers per hour. So what is x kilometers per hour? That is 63 kilometers per hour. So plus 7 kilometers per hour, that is 63 plus 7, that is 70 kilometers per hour. So the other motorcyclist speed would be x plus 7 kilometer per hour. So x kilometer per hour is nothing but 63 kilometers per hour plus 7 kilometer per hour means 63 plus 7 kilometers per hour. So that is 70 kilometers per hour. So these are the respective speeds of those two motorcyclists. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel WinGraphita and stay tuned for more videos.